Welcome back to MegaAutoWorld, the place where future technology meets powerful machines. Today we're diving into one of the most advanced and talked about defense systems of the modern era, the AirDefenseGun of 2026. This system represents a major leap forward in how nations protect their airspace against fast and unpredictable threats. In 2026, air threats are no longer limited to traditional fighter jets. High-speed drones, stealth missiles, loitering munitions, and hypersonic weapons have completely changed the battlefield. To counter these dangers, modern air defense guns are designed to react in milliseconds, combining extreme firepower with artificial intelligence and advanced tracking systems. Unlike older anti-aircraft guns that relied heavily on manual aiming, the 2026 air defense gun operates through fully automated radar and electro-optical sensors. These sensors constantly scan the sky, detecting incoming threats at long distances. Once a target is identified, the system calculates speed, altitude, and trajectory almost instantly, allowing precise engagement before the threat reaches its target. One of the biggest upgrades in 2026 air defense guns is the use of SmartAmmunition. These rounds are programmed to explode at the exact moment near the target, creating a cloud of high-velocity fragments that significantly increase hit probability. This makes the system extremely effective against small, fast-moving drones that are difficult to hit with conventional weapons. Mobility is another key feature. Many modern air defense guns are mounted on armored vehicles or mobile platforms, allowing rapid deployment in different terrains. Whether it's protecting military bases, critical infrastructure, or moving convoys, these systems can be repositioned quickly to respond to evolving threats. Artificial intelligence plays a massive role in these systems. AI helps distinguish between friendly aircraft, civilian objects, and hostile targets, reducing the risk of mistakes. It can also prioritize multiple threats at once, deciding which target poses the greatest danger and engaging it first, all within seconds. Another impressive aspect is integration. The 2026 air defense gun doesn't operate alone. It is connected to a wider defense network that includes missiles, drones, satellites, and command centers. This layered defense approach ensures that if one system misses a target, another is ready to engage, creating an almost impenetrable shield. Despite their incredible power, these guns are designed with efficiency in mind. They consume less energy, require fewer crew members, and have improved maintenance systems that reduce downtime. This makes them not only powerful but also practical for long-term defense operations. As technology continues to evolve, air defense guns in 2026 symbolize the future of battlefield protection: fast, smart, and highly reliable. They are no longer just weapons, they are intelligent guardians of the sky. If you enjoyed this deep dive into next-generation defense technology, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to MegaAutoWorld for more futuristic machines and powerful innovations. Stay curious, stay informed, and we'll see you in the next video.